Hello, it's James from XRobots.co.uk. I'm doing the beginning at the end of this video, which is my vlog of MCM Expo at Excel London 2014, which I've just literally got back from. I haven't actually looked at the footage yet, but this is the intro. So I just need to really say thanks to everyone who I met who stopped by to say hello. A thanks to Darkshine's Cosplay, who was dressed as Black Widow on Saturday, for helping me out quite a lot while I was dressed as Iron Man. And you should also check out her Nerdgasm Etsy shop. And also thanks again to Kit, who helped me back to the hotel when I was a bit worn out and tired of wearing Iron Man. And thanks to everyone else, basically, who made the weekend so great. So here's the vlog. Right, it's Friday afternoon. We've checked into the hotel and we're just going to Canary Wharf DLR to go down to Excel and hopefully get wristbands before it gets really busy tomorrow morning. And today I'm wearing Alien's arm, which I've got on here so I can use my hands to get a ticket.
I always used to do it when I went to go see Muse and I went to wear something stupid.
We're here. It wasn't too much of a bad journey. We only had to change once, which is going to be quite interesting doing it as Iron Man tomorrow. But there were escalators. We're here. This is where queuing takes place. As you can see, it's not too busy today. Tomorrow it's going to be packed, I'd imagine. We've walked about a mile to get from over there. We're just walking backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. It's better than standing in all of this line stationary, I guess. We've got wristbands. Now it's time to put on Alien's arm. We're here in Hall 1. The arm is on. We're in a place with a lot of people queuing and we think it might be Daniel Radcliffe. We don't really know. There's a lot of people. A lot of people standing around. Can you see Daniel Radcliffe over there? Look who it is. Do you know who it is? Who is it? Thank you. Thanks for watching.
It's all good.
Cool. Video selfie. If you want to be in my vlog.
I will be, yeah.
Okay, cool. Cool. Have you got a cosplay page you want to shout out for or anything?
No, I didn't.
Okay. All right. Good to meet you.
Thank you guys.
Cheers. It's Saturday morning, we're on our way in various costumes. There's a lot of people up ahead. We've got to go back on the DLR and change twice before we can get there, and I'm already feeling the pain. And we've already returned once to stick pieces back on with hot glue. There we go. Alright. Hello, we're on the DLR. As you can see.
That's pretty much it, really. We're on the DLR. Is that it?
Be there soon, hopefully.
Happy days. We might get there. Eventually. Eventually.
I can power up the unibeam if you're ready. So look at the light. So we're just going to mill around really and not move really because everyone wants photos for some reason. There's an interview going on. Right.
Okay, so tell me, your name's also address this.
So my name's James from XRobots.co.uk and I'm obviously dressed as Iron Man today.
My name's Rosemary. I'm from Darkshine's Cosplay and I'm Natasha Romanoff, Agent of S.H.I.E.L.D. Don't look into the light.
Right, we're heading down the main steps to a supposed Marvel shoot. Just about dealing with it. Not too bad. One at a time. All these are a bit steep. Hello. How you doing? Hi, Tony. Good to see you. This is the Marvel photo shoot by the looks of it. We're taking photos of us, but we're at the back. Hello. How are you doing? Cool. I'm here with Tino, who is another Iron Man cosplayer.
Yeah, I've seen it. I need a quick head
Neither
selfie.
of us can really be heard or hear anything.
That's it, no, yeah.
I'm here with Alex, who's an XRobots fan. There we go. And your website is?
It's www.lordcakesgirl.com.
Okay, cool. I'll try and put the link in the description to this video. Right, we're back at XL again. I had to bail and take off the suit, so now I'm wearing my normal clothes. And hopefully I'll be able to walk up steps and like talk to people and hear what they're saying. What's your cosplay page?
Dash Hat Studios.
Okay, cool. We'll put that in the
These
vlog.
days I mainly mess around with UK Warhammer cosplayers on Facebook.
Alright. Right, it's nearly the end of Saturday. It's quietening down a bit. And we're just trying to find the others. And then hopefully we'll have some drinks later.
It's him.
Right, the one piece of broken Iron Man armour.
I've always said like if I was going to blow everybody's minds.
This is awesome for me.
Hello, you guys.
I got my desk. I got plenty.
Right, I'm here with Paul Elder from Paul Elder Design, who today is cosplaying that bloke from Stargate. Can we see your Zat gun? Cool. Super, so have a look at facebook.com/Paul Elder Design.
Did you see the Stargate Friday? My friend Nick's killed. Who's handing these out? I want a sticker with my name on.
Awesome. I'm vlogging. Right, it's October the 26th, 2014, which is quite a good date for this costume. It's the last day of the con, and we're heading back to the DLR. I wonder if there'll be any other Back to the Future cosplayers.
The weather.
So I've only seen one other Marty McFly so far, and apparently he's seen one other one that wasn't me. Which is pretty surprising, really. I thought with the 1 year anniversary countdown to Back to the Future Day there'd be more, like a sea of red body warmers. But no Doc Browns and no one else really to hang out with. Oh well, we'll see who turns up later.
Okay, I'll give you an action cue, yep. And action! Cool. Cut.
Right, so I've just been doing some shooting with Nick and Gary from Sneaky Zebra. So you should watch Sneaky Zebra if you haven't already subscribed. Hi guys, how's it been going?
Good, good, good. We've been filming a huge amount of cosplayers this weekend.
Cool, and there's going to be a big compilation video of MCM?
Oh yes.
Super. So, there we go. Sneaky Zebra. Right, so I'm here with the guys from the iMaker store. So we're just going to find out a bit about what they're doing. We've got some cool 3D printed weapons and some other bits and pieces on the table. So, how's it been going today?
Good, yeah, busy. The technology's pretty crazy. There's always a lot of people around.
Yeah, so lots of interest in 3D printing.
Yes, that's the idea, yeah.
So can we look at some of these things you printed here? We've got a
this guy,
gigantic gun.
Yeah, why not? This is Thunderbolt
Wow.
from Destiny, designed by my friend Kirby over here. Printed in just over 100 hours in multiple parts, which we then assembled. This file is free to download from myminifactory.com.
Okay.
So yeah, we're trying to kind of get this stuff out there, let people start creating things for themselves. Really, that's the idea behind this technology at the end of the day.
So you can download this model and print it on your own printer.
You can, which you can buy from iMaker.
Okay.
So we're trying to really just kind of promote the technology and get people printing stuff for themselves at the end of the day. All
Cool.
the stuff here is free to download from the site. Yeah.
Cool. And do you do a 3D printing service as well?
We do. If it's got to do 3D printing, we do it. So we run regular training sessions at our store where we try and educate people about the technology. Otherwise, you can come to us with your files and we'll figure out ways to print them and get that kind of stuff to you. So really just trying to spread the tech out there, educate people, kind of get people printing at the end of the day.
So I'm here with Lloyd from IGL Films, who's just done a short interview with me. So how's it been? Have you done basically lots of interviews with cosplayers?
Yeah, I'm putting together a small little documentary just about how people, what they think about the entire event and what it means to them.
Okay, cool. And has it been generally a good atmosphere?
I love it here.
Not too many upset cosplayers?
No, I haven't seen any upset cosplayers this year. This is the third time I've been to Comic-Con this year, and every year it just gets bigger and better, and there are so many really good cosplays here, not just this year but every year. But I mean, everybody just outdoes themselves with the cosplay, the dedication, the detail, even the ones that aren't, you know, really movie accurate. You can just tell that a lot of love went into every single one of those costumes.
So it's 2:15 on Sunday afternoon. I've been stopped about every 2 steps so far for people who want to know about Mr. Fusion, and a couple of people have recognised me, so thanks if you stopped and said hello. We're back in the fort! Pokemon! Which is where the video ends. Everyone was very excited about that song. So don't forget to check out the links in the description. If you're in the video and you've got a Facebook page or a YouTube channel or a blog or a website, and you want the link in the description to this video, then send me a message and I'll add you in there. So if you're watching this, don't forget to have a look at the links in the description. So that's all I've got for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and thanks to everyone who made it such a great weekend.